Hi there, I'm Marie. Today we'll be making meat dumplings called Siu Mai. These Cantonese-style dumplings are an enduring favorite. They are especially fun to make at family get-togethers. This recipe makes about 36 dumplings. The main ingredients are ground pork, shrimp, and shiitake mushrooms. We begin by treating the shrimp with a mixture of 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. But don't worry, we'll wash off the mixture afterwards. The treatment makes the meat texture more bouncy-like, so that you get a better mouthfeel. Set it aside for 30 minutes. After that, rinse off the mixture. We'll cut about 1/3 into small chunks to use for topping. And then chop the rest coarsely. Soak and soften the mushrooms. Then chop them into small pieces. Shred about 3 tablespoons of carrot to use as garnish. Be sure your pork has at least 20% fat, because fat makes the dumplings more juicy. Add to the pork the mushrooms, cornstarch, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, pepper, and sesame oil. Hold back on the shrimp for now. It doesn't need as much mixing. We'll add it later. Blend the mixtures to combine. It's easier to just use your hand. Stir with a circular motion to let the meat completely absorb the liquid ingredients. It takes about 5 minutes. When it becomes sticky and lumps together like this, go ahead and add the shrimp. Mix again for another minute or so. Next, I'll show you a simple technique to enhance its bouncy texture. To do that, you lift the filling all in one piece, raise it above shoulder height, and smash it back into the bowl. It's kind of fun. I did it 6 times, which should be enough. We'll need 1 pack of these round wrappers. There are about 36 in a pack. They come in light color like this or in bright yellow. If you're wondering, the yellow ones are just food coloring. They taste the same. If you don't have round ones on hand, you can use the square kind. Just trim off their 4 corners and they're good to go. Traditionally, you would cook these in bamboo steamers, but you don't have to. Plates or trays like this are fine. Just apply a thin coat of cooking oil to prevent sticking. A convenient way to wrap dumplings is to place the filling mixture on a plate. You'll see why this is so. Now, place a wrapper on your palm. With a butter knife, push about 2 tablespoons of filling onto its center. Add a piece of shrimp on top. And fold up the sides. Secure it with your thumb and index finger and squeeze to tighten the filling. Press down so the top is level. That's it. Let's do another one. The more you do, the faster it becomes. Garnish the top with some shredded carrots so they look more appetizing. By the way, topiko is another topping often used on this. You might prefer that instead. In a steamer, bring the water to a boil first and then place in the dumplings. We'll cook this for 8 minutes. the first 4 minutes on high heat, then turn the heat down to medium to finish the cooking. So these are done. I can smell the cooked mushrooms and the meat. After the first batch is done, bring the heat up again before putting in the next batch. Well, we can't enjoy our dumplings without a good dipping sauce, can we? I'll show you how to make a classic dipping sauce. So these are the ingredients for the sauce. This is light soy sauce, sesame oil, and rock sugar. The rock sugar is made from sugar cane. It has a mellower sweetness than regular sugar. Also, use an equal amount of water to cut out the saltiness of the soy sauce. Crush the rock sugar so it melts quicker. Now heat the water and the rock sugar in a pot. Once the sugar has dissolved, turn off the heat and add the soy sauce and sesame oil. That's all there is to it. The dipping sauce is ready. If you like your food spicy, a hot chili oil or chili paste also goes well with the dumplings. Let's try a bite. It's super delicious. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more future fun videos. Bye for now.